Welcome to Tea Art and Craft. Today we'll make fan like sunflower with paper. For that, take any yellow color paper and fold half, then cut it half. Fold as like I do. Look, this is what we made. Fold half, then cut it. Make two, then stick together. Now take a green color paper and roll it. We will need two pieces, stick like I do. Add a piece of brown sheet. This is the final look. Add some leaves. Look how beautiful it is. Try and let's see in another video. Bye bye.